Hi guys, it's Tracy, and today I'm back with another Boxy Charm. Every month, this is like my most exciting thing that I get. This is the most awesome subscription box. If you don't know what it is, if you're new, it is a $21 a month subscription service. They send you 5 to 6 full-size products. They're not like samples or deluxe samples. They're always full-size, and it's $21 a month. And you can sign up at boxycharm.com. I have a link, but it doesn't work whenever I paste it. So if you were interested, just go to boxycharm.com. There may be a waiting list, but it's usually not very long. And they just have the most awesome stuff in these boxes. This is how I've been able to grow my makeup collection with high-end makeup that I wouldn't have originally purchased. So my channel, Bargains, Beauty, and More, you would think, you know, I know people see me when I have high end, and it's like, I got it out of Boxy Charm. I got it out of Boxy Charm. I didn't buy it, really. So they've just been doing such a great job lately, and I would highly recommend this. I'm not making any money off of this. They don't know who I am. I pay for my box myself. So I'm just telling you my honest feelings on it. A lot of influencers do get the boxes sent to them, but I do not. I pay for it. It's $21, so not a big deal. But I love this box, and I look forward to it every month. So that's out of the way. If you're new here, hi, my name's Tracy. I make all kinds of beauty-related videos, bargains, just deals that I find that I like to share with you guys. I do, you know, just a whole bunch of random videos if I can think of. I'm trying to think of like original ideas and stuff, but it's so hard to think of original content because like everything has been done. So if you guys have anything that you think is original, let me know in the comments section, and I'll be glad to take a peek at it and maybe use it and give you a shout out. So if you like this button, if you like this video while you're watching, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and check the bell, and you'll be notified every time that I upload a new video. So now that that's out of the way, let's open the box. I haven't opened it. It's actually been here sitting in my mailbox for 2 days, and I couldn't get it because my son had my mailbox keys. So otherwise it would have been up 2 days earlier. So this is how it comes. It always comes packaged really well. And you get these cards that tell you about the products. What does this one say? Oh, this is an ingredient list for one of the items that's in here. And the theme this month is Rock 2018. And the first thing I'm seeing is the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Luminizing Primer. This is manufacturer's $38. So that has paid for the box and then some. This says it's a luminizing primer that delivers a natural radiant glow while blurring pores and imperfections for a beautifully illuminated, flawless complexion. So I have big pores around my nose mostly, so I'm interested to try this. I have the Dr. Brandt Pore Microdermabrasion that we got in this box, and I've never, ever, ever had a product that cleared out my pores so good as that product. And it retails for $79. But it is so good. I mean, I was shocked because I have one of those big like magnifying mirrors, and I was looking and I'm like, oh my God, I'm 47. I'll be 48 next month. And I've been trying to find something for my pores for ages. And it like blew me away. It was so good. So I like his products. So this was a winner so far. The next thing I see is an Pur Cosmetics brow pencil. This is a universal brow pencil. I don't know about universal. It's called Universal Taupe. My hair's pretty dark. My eyebrows are pretty dark. Let's see. It says that this was developed. This is $24. It was developed with plastic surgeons, and it's the #1 best-selling award-winning eyebrow pencil, and is infused with brow enhancing biotin, lecithin, saw palmetto, nettle, green tea, antioxidants, grapeseed, and vitamins A, B5, C, and E, plus proprietary brow power technology to give you the most beautiful natural looking brows, even if you have none at all. Plus, it's a universal transforming shade that adjusts to all hair colors based on the pressure. Its exclusive oval tip mimics the look of real hair and includes a built-in grooming spoolie brush for polished perfection. So this is what it looks like. It feels really nice. Let's see what we got here. This is it's almost like an oval shape. I don't even know if you guys can see that. I usually use like the little micro thin stuff. Let's see what this shade looks like. Actually looks brown, so that might be good. I am excited to give this a try. I've never tried this out. It has a lot of, there's the spoolie. It has a lot of vitamins and stuff added to it, so it all sounds good. So I am excited to give this a try. This is $24. That's a lot of money for a brow product. And then the next thing here is by Crown Pro, and I am familiar with this brand. Oh, it came in this little sleeve, and it's like reflective. I just bought a palette by them from Cosmoprof where my daughter works, and I really like the shadows, so I was excited to see this. This is their Glam Metals palette. It says, rock your look with the Crown Pro Glam Metals eyeshadow palette. These highly pigmented, ultra blendable shadows make smoky eyes look a breeze. Got this plastic thing that I always throw away. Oh, it's got a guitar as a mirror. That's so cute. These colors are really nice. Looks like they're, oh no, there's a matte black and a matte brown. Let's do some swatches here. Let's do Punk, Rebel, and Pop Rock. Ooh. Nice. Those are really, really nice. Let's try the, let me see, the black and the brown. The black is called Black Metal and the brown is called The Wicked. Wow, look at that. So let's see, here is the brown and here is the black. Those are pretty pigmented. That black is really pigmented for a black, because blacks are a hard thing to do that some companies can't do. It says rock your look with the little guitar mirror. So some of these colors are really unique, like these gray kind of blues, that first color, Punk, and then there's another color called Heavy Metal. Let's do that too. Let's see. Those two would go really nice together. So I'm excited to try this out. I like this. I like that it's really compact and it has a mirror, even though it might be kind of weird to, I always like mirrors to me really, and palettes don't matter because I always use a mirror like this. Like I need a big mirror to like be able to see like my whole face. So if a palette has a mirror, doesn't have a mirror, it's not a big deal for me because I always tend to use my bigger mirror like this. But nice. I'm like super excited to try this out. This is really nice. And the next thing is this Galactic Matte Lip Paint. This is retail value of $23. It says one of the original liquid lipstick formulas that is still true to its words. It's lightweight, long-wearing, non-cracking, and won't settle. For better application, do not apply on apply a lip balm or lip primer before application, okay? And this color is called Demure. I like the packaging. It's like matte and then a silver top. Let's see. And I think it's actually a color I would wear. Ooh, that's pretty. Let's try this on. I thought about doing like a try-on of stuff, but then I was like, I don't know. I don't know if people want to see that. This today I have on is the Physicians Formula, the 80th anniversary, and this was called Nude. That's what I have on it. It's just a regular cream lipstick. So let's wipe that off. And we will see how this one looks. I like the feel of it. It's like really thin and it's like really smooth. It's a really nice color too. Like usually they send me a color. I'm trying to see if my overhead lights are on. Usually they send me a color that I would never ever wear. So this is nice to actually get a color that I would wear. And I know other variations in the box. They got some other, I don't even remember what it was called, but I remember thinking, oh, please let me get the liquid lipstick. Please let me get this one. So I wanted to get this one because I was seeing some like bright fuchsias and I'm like, oh my God, I'll never wear that. So super excited to finally get a color that I will wear. So I'll let it dry down and then we'll see if it's transfer proof and all that by the time I'm finished showing you the box. And then the last thing is from Pur Cosmetics, which is a brand I do know about and I like because I've gotten other Pur Cosmetic items in my Boxy Charm. So this is their Pur the Complexion Authority. It's called their Bronze and Brighten Cheek Palette. And this retails for $34. And let's see what it says about it. It says an on-the-go highlight, bronzer, and blush palette with 3 skin perfecting powders to create an effortless and sun-kissed glow on every skin tone, featuring Pur's fan favorites Afterglow and Mineral Glow, along with a new blush shade, Blushing Glow. Throw this in your bag and you're ready to go. And I did watch some other videos because I was like super curious. I always tell myself, I'm not going to watch any, I'm not going to watch any. I just want to see what I get. I want to wait and be surprised, but I can never wait and be surprised. So I have already seen this. Nice colors. You got a nice mirror here. And I did hear that they all have like a shimmer to them. So I'm not knowing if I'm going to be feeling the shimmer, but I might. So there's the swatches. Let's see. This is the blush. Ooh. And this is the highlighter. And this is the bronzer. Those are like super pigmented. I think I actually like that blush color because it would really go with like a peachy type of look. And I would say that they have more of a sheen to them, the bronzer and the blush. Of course, the highlight is a highlight. But this looks more like it's just kind of a sheen. Not really like, I don't see any like glitter or, you know, anything that would like turn me off. So I'm super happy. I think this is really nice. This box makes up for last month's box. I know you guys saw the video when I threw a fit about the Bella Pierre color corrector kit that smells like crayons. I was so disappointed in that. I mean, I just like threw it. I asked my daughter, hey, I just got this. Do you want it? And she looked at it and she smelled it. She goes, ew, no. Smells like my childhood. Smells like Crayola crayons. And I'm like, that's what I thought. The same exact thing. I thought that it smelled like crayons. So, super excited about this. And I believe the total for this... Let's see, where's my phone here? Let's add it up and see what the total is. just messed up my nails. I did my nails. I have an awesome top coat to share with you guys in this month's favorites. It is so good. Let's see, 38, 24, 25, 34, and 23. So the total amount, $144 worth of products for 21 bucks. I continually say, I don't know how they do it. It's just awesome. So if you haven't signed up yet, I would recommend signing up. There's only very few things that I've been disappointed in, like that last month. But other than that, I mean, I always, you know, am in love with the products that I get. So I highly recommend you sign up now if you can. And like I said, you can just go to boxycharm.com. I can leave the link for BoxyCharm in the description box. It's not my like link or anything. And if it was a link that worked, it would just be something that gives me something called Boxy points, I think, and then you can like redeem it for stuff in their store. But then I've heard a bunch of people saying that they never have anything in their store, so at this point I don't care. But if you guys want to sign up, I can leave the link for BoxyCharm and you can just go right to their website and sign up. So that was the January box. I say BoxyCharm is off to an awesome start this month, or the start to the year, and I'm super excited to be seeing what other brands and you know, stuff we're going to be receiving. So if you want to be in on the fun, make sure you go to boxycharm.com, sign up, 21 bucks a month, and I think it's well worth the price. So I hope you enjoyed this January 8, 2018 unboxing of my BoxyCharm, and I hope that you were Mr. Moving a Tripod. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!